Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm talking about a complete strategy for our examination on 2021. UPSC has announced a new date for examination. It will be on June 27, 2021. The prelims will be. So, I am giving a 1 year strategy, and we have almost approximately 9 months for our examination, and this strategy is completely optional. Either you can follow this or you can keep this strategy as a reference and make your own strategy. Each one has their own capability or methods of studying, so it is completely optional. So first you have to start from September 1st to 30. We have 1 month time, and we need to complete history optional, 2 hours daily, 2 hours, and daily answer writing, 2 questions from optional and 1 question from GS. History we have ancient, medieval, modern, and art and culture. And I have also given books for reference. And next is October 1st to 31st. We need to complete polity fully, optional daily 2 hours, daily answer writing, and books are also there. Lakshmikant's polity is more than enough for studying polity for both for mains and prelims. Daily answer writing will give you complete practice for our answer writing um, pattern and your ability. And next will be November 1st to 30 will be geography and environment will be the core subjects we need to study. Geography we have physical, Indian, and world. All these are covered in our NCERTs 11 and 12, and also optional and daily answer writing, and we have to use internet for a reference. And December 1st to 8th we need to have disaster management, optional, and daily answer writing. Daily answer writing is very much essential for those who don't know how to write answers for mains. Our rank is always decided by our answer writing in mains examination. I think you all know that. And December 9 to 14 will be internal security. We need to complete our optional and also daily answer writing, 2 questions from optional and 1 question from GS. You can take questions from previous year questions UPSC. And December 15 to 31st we need to start economics and daily answer writing, and I also given some reference books, also your class notes for economics if any you have. And internet is the main source of our study materials and Brunel videos if you have, and it's always available in YouTube and all. And from 2021 January 1st to 15th we need to study economics, agriculture, and whatever portions are remaining in GS3 we need to complete within this time. And daily answer writing, use 2 questions from optional and 1 from GS. And January 16th to 31st we need to study society and post independence consolidation and daily answer writing. Either we can use our NCERTs and class notes and for internet and also. And February 1st to 15th world history, remaining portions from GS1 and GS2, daily answer writing. So from February till February 15 we can complete our all GS1, GS2, GS3 topics, and February 15-28 we need to complete ethics and try to finish all remaining portions from main syllabus if any are left. So we need to wind up our mains topics from we need to wind up our mains topic by 28th February. and daily answer writing also. We need to stop it by February 28th, and from March 1st on 15th, 1st to 15th, we need to find some technical terms and all from all related to science and technology from internet. Use internet wisely and try to join some test series for free prelims online or from the institute, or solve question papers. And March 15th to 31st, solve prelims mock test. Stop studying new topics. It is very, very, very important. Stop studying new topics. And revision, and revision. Revision is the best method to clear prelims. We need to focus on our revision. So April, May until June 20, revision. Continue revision and retain everything which you have studied from the past these months, so that it will be there in your memory and you can crack the examination with good marks. So don't forget revision. And from 21st June 26, relax and have a good sleep and healthy food. Keep calm and do exercises. Be positive and stay cool. So June 21st, 27, 2021, we have our prelims, and obviously you'll get good marks, more than 110 marks, if you follow a perfect strategy, this or another one. So all the very best everyone, and success is really, really certain for you. And thank you so much.